Hello there everybody, this is CP666 back with you, and today we're going to be upgrading the RAM back to 4 gigs. Now, don't do what I do and work on your computer on your bed, because that's just no good. Where is my screwdriver? I'm going to spend a lot of time looking for my screwdriver now. There it is. Found it. Alright. So, I've already done a RAM upgrade guide. If you want to go take a look at that, you can. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning, so that's why I'm not talking very loud. Alright, what do we have installed there right now? This is why I hate using a tripod. So we have one of my Lexar sticks, whoops, and a Samsung 1 gig stick. Let's change that. Hopefully this works. I have my T500. This thing still sees regular use. So we have a 1311 error code. Okay. I'll have to look that up. I can't remember what that is offhand. No, it's 1311. Because what they have here is 1 beep, 3 beeps, 3 beeps, 1 beep. Which is what my T500 was doing, so... yeah, the RAM in my T500 is not good. Let's say that again. No, it's 1411. 1 beep, 1 long, short beep, blah blah blah. So they don't have... no, they don't have that error messages. Okay, so it's the same code. Let's try the next stick. So that stick works. This stick, I think, is bad. I think we have a bad RAM stick here. I'm not sure, though. It should work. I don't know why it wouldn't. But as soon as we put this stick in, the system just explodes. Oh, now it's working. That's odd. That is very odd. Now it's working. I don't think it'll work all the time. Let's try it again. I don't know what I did. I swapped the RAM sticks, but that's about it. I'm going to run mem test. I'm going to see if the system is stable, because I don't trust that at all. This disc doesn't have that feature. Alright, let's try another one. Nope, that's been PowerPC. That won't work at all. Where is my freaking Fedora disk? There's a Windows XP add-in password eraser. Oh, there it is. Put it in there. I had to take those out and put them back on my CD rack. So that didn't work. I know NX 2010, I think, has it. If not, I've been using Ubuntu. I haven't really used NimbleX in a long time to do anything. Ooh, my keys are gonna fall off. 12. Memory test. Mem test 4.0. So we'll see how that works. And the problem is I have to use it tomorrow, so it's not stable. Of course, I can't read what the damn pattern is, and you can't even see the entire screen. Because half of my display is broken. I'm going to have to really fix that. Oh, it has a dislike already. Interesting. Oh well. As I keep telling people, I can't cater to all of you. And, like I said before, I wasn't using a tripod, and the people that were watching my unboxings without the tripod were complaining because the video was all over the place. So then I started using a tripod, and now people are complaining that my videos are not as good because they can't see what I'm pointing at. And it's like, make up your minds. Do you want a tripod or what? And oh yes, while I'm at it, a plug for my little video everyday channel, which I didn't make a video of today. I should do that right now. So, yes, let's do that. Where is my iPod? Where is my iPod? There it is. Sitting on the floor where I'd expect it to be. My hair is a mess. Yuck. No, you can't see any of that. So, yeah, it's like 2:50 in the morning, and I still haven't done a video today, or yesterday. But, I got busy with this, sort of. You can see my camera doing a mem test because I just upgraded the RAM, and the RAM is kind of flaky, I think. It might be. I had to switch the slots around, which was really odd. I shouldn't have to do that, it should just work. Apparently it didn't, so you're going to get to see that on my main channel pretty soon. Maybe tomorrow, if I decide I'm going to edit it tonight. It's 3 o'clock. The reason why I didn't have a video up today is because I had a wonderful little nap that was spanned a lot longer than I thought it was going to. I wanted to sleep until 6, but it ended up going until like 12. So sorry about that. But I guess that should be all that I've been doing. I really don't have a lot of time to make videos. And the other thing is that that machine that I'm mem testing, I have to use that tomorrow because it's my portable system. I might just drag this one out and use that, but I don't think I will. Simply because it doesn't have all the programs that I need. Well, it does, but I don't want to use that. Because that would imply that I would have to shut the system off in order to... Well, I can do that. So if this doesn't work, I'm just going to use the T500. Yeah, I think that's it. I need to shave. God. I hate this stupid... Trying to type this out on an iPod is terrible. Blah. Or not Nova. Blah. That's what I'm tagging them all as. Oh, the irony is that it changes it to blog. I want that to be people in blogs. Public. So yeah, if you want to see the thing that I just made, then go to GL5500, which there's an annotation to somewhere along here. So check that out. That's actually my new project is a video every single day. Or as many days as I can try. I'm not going to be able to get every day. Yeah, I think we're done here. We'll take a look at it in the morning. Alright, so it's the next day. I have had Prime 95 actually running since 6 this morning. And the reason why it's red is because you can see I stopped it 10 hours later, more than 10 hours later. And it hasn't failed anything. It's passed every test that I've put it through. So I don't know what's going on, why it's doing that. But what I'm going to try now is I'm going to actually try a system reboot. I'm going to see if it blows up if I reboot the system. This is taking forever. You know what? Fine. Okay, you're going to do that. We're going to just reset the system. Take that. Stupid automatic updates. Restart, please. There. Finally. Let's see if it fails the power on self-test now. It shouldn't. It shouldn't fail the power on self-test. No, it's working. That isn't, but it is. F2 to enter setup, F1 to enter setup. Whoops. Let's run the extended RAM test here. I'm going to run the extended test here. Oops. Yes, save before exiting. I'm going to run the extended RAM test. What is this? It's external. See if it fails. Focus camera. Oops. So it's working. I don't know what's going on. Why switching those two RAM sticks around is enough to cause it to fail the power on self-test. But it's odd. I am tired. It has been busy today. So there's that. So here's the deal. I have two gig RAM, 2 gig Lexar DDR2 800 sticks in there. They're both the exact same RAM chip, the exact same RAM module, because they both came in a kit together. I can't imagine Lexar would sell me two non-identical RAM chips, but either way, this configuration has worked perfectly both ways in this machine before. I took one of the RAM sticks off. Oh, cord yourself. Firewall was not turned on. Well, I'm pretty sure it was last I knew. Anyway, back to the subject at hand. It was working before, perfectly, 100%. And then I took a RAM stick out because I was using that little netbook to do video rendering for one of my classes last year. And so I took one of the 2 gig sticks out and put it in there. I later found out that netbook has VRM issues, or voltage regulation. Well, actually, no, I don't think it has a VRM. I think it's just voltage regulation in general. Or something like that. But either way, it has a problem sending the right voltage to the right place. And that's what killed that one wireless card. But anyway, that wireless card doesn't matter at this point. Jeez, I'm tired. It's only like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. But, so then I put it in here at the very beginning of the video, and it's failing the power on self-test. With a, what's the error code? 1411 is the beep code. I could probably look that up. In fact, that's what I'm going to do right now, because I'm not exactly 100% sure what that code means. Regardless, it's failing in this configuration. With the 2 RAM sticks, I took one of them out, and it still failed the power on self-test. I switched their 2 RAM sticks around, and it doesn't fail the power on self-test and works perfectly. And it passes mem test, passes Prime 95, or passes 10 hours of Prime 95. So I don't know what's going on. I don't know if I have some kind of a parity error, if I have some kind of a RAM timing error, if I have some kind of a system BIOS problem, because this isn't running the most recent BIOS either. I just haven't updated it because I'm lazy. Why is my wireless Bluetooth radio off? That is so damn annoying when it does that. Oh my god. Power that on. It should be on all the time. What the hell was that? Oh, I connected a device. That's right. Okay. Beep codes. We'll look that up. There should be a list somewhere. And there is. No, there is not. Wow, that's useless. There should be a list somewhere. I think this is the list. So, the only thing I have is 1 beep, 3 beep, 3 beep, 1 beep, and that's not the code that I'm getting. I get 1 beep, 4 beeps, 1 beep, and 1 beep. Which might, no, it couldn't be that one. Either way, I don't know what's going on. That is the most useless thing in the world. Complete list my behind. So that's useless. That's actually totally useless. And not only totally useless, but beyond useless. Blah, blah, blah. BIOS beep codes. This is for the IBMs. Oh, they use a different beep code system. That's why the... Okay. Again, that was useless. So I'm going to presume that it's a RAM DIMM problem, and that's... I'm going to call it at that. I'm not going to bother switching the RAM sticks until I see any marked performance problems in Windows, and there aren't. So, yeah, I don't know what's going on. It is accessing 3 gigs of RAM, which is okay. That's what it was accessing before. It might be a problem in the upper gig of RAM, the upper gigabyte. And that's why we don't have a problem. But it should test that in the system BIOS. When I run the extended RAM test, it should test that in the system BIOS, but it's passing that too. So I'm going to run these updates. And we're going to do that. And I'm just going to presume this done. So there's that. Thank you for watching this sort of weird video. Weirdly, abnormally long video. If you have any comments, please feel free to leave them down below. And this is CP666 signing off. I'll see you next time. Till then.